Hello everyone, I am Sudipta Dasgupta. Welcome to the fourth tutorial of the Introduction to ArcGIS. Today we will talk about georeferencing and map digitization. So let's start. First we need to know what is georeferencing. Georeferencing is the process of adding geographic value to the digital image so that GIS can place it in an appropriate real-world position. And with the help of georeferencing, we digitize our map. Map digitization is a process of converting the paper map to a digital map. In this session, we will work with cadastral survey map and revisional survey map. Ground truthing is an important factor in georeferencing. Ground truthing is a technique where data are gathered at a distance and confirmed by measurement made on location. Let's start our work with georeferencing. First, we need some cadastral map, which is some fixed point located and the coordinates of those points in Excel format. If we have the both cadastral digital map and the coordinates of ground truthing, we can go to the next process of georeferencing. We will choose a certain digital cadastral map and its coordinate. We will open the coordinate file in Excel. After opening the coordinate file in Excel, we will rename it the x coordinate as sting and the y coordinate as northing. We will give it a serial number we will select it and declare it as database. We will rename it as CS and press enter. As we can see, there is a new database named as CS. Now we need to save this file. We will go to the Save As menu and save it as Excel 97 to 2003 workbook, which is .xls file. Rename it as CS and press save. As we can see, we have created an Excel file based on our selected database. Now we need to go to the ArcGIS. First, we need to add the data we have selected earlier. We will select the digital cadastral map and add. As we can see, the digital cadastral map has already been imported to ArcGIS. Next, we need the Excel file we have created earlier. We have named it as CS, and in the CS folder, there is another selected database we have created earlier. We will add this particular selected database. If we check this database, we can see the sting and northing values are already in it. The next thing is we need the northing and sting values in our GIS interface. For this, we will right click on the Excel file, click display XY data, and then we will see display XY data interface. In this, we have to select X field. We will click the drop down here and select it as sting. And in Y field, we will select northing. We will leave the Z field as it is. Below there, we can see the description is unknown coordinate system. So we have to select a coordinate system for our database. For this, we will click this edit and select a coordinate system. We will select BTM for this cadastral map. Checking all this, we will click OK. In the table of contents, we can see a new field has been added named as CS events. If we uncheck the image and click zoom to layer to the XY data, we can see the XY has been pointed in our GIS interface. But when we will try to see the image file and the coordinates file together, we can't see it because they are in different position according to the earth. So we need to fix the position of these two files. For this, we will click the coordinate file, and here we will use the georeferencing work tool. In georeferencing toolbox, to the all left, we can see a drop down named as georeferencing. After clicking the points, we will click this drop down and select fit to display. Here we can see the image has been all the way brought up to the points. Now we need to fix the image according to the points. For this work, georeferencing tool has given us many options. At the right of georeferencing tool, there is a drop down, and in the drop down there are three options named as rotate, shift and scale. The rotate is for rotating the image file. The shift is for shifting the image file from one position to another, and the scale is for zoom in and zoom out. We will use the scale as we can see the image is much more smaller than the points. We will scale it as bigger, and then shift is according to the points. This work may need much time because we have to do it more precisely. As we can see, the points are almost close to the desired location. In this situation, we will use another tool named as Add Control Points. In the middle of georeferencing toolbox, we will find it Add Control Points. We will click it and zoom to a certain point. We will click the center of the point in image file and made a link to the actual point. We will do this for 4 particular points. The second one is done. After doing the second or third, it may be automatically fit to the points, but we will do this for 4 times. As we have done 4 control points, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the image has been fitted according to the points we have in our Excel file. The next work is with the link table. So we will click this view link table menu here, and in the link table we will see the detail of our add link. At the top of the link table, we will find total RMS error. And in our work, the total RMS error is 0.684063. Now the question is, what is perfect RMS error? The lesser the RMS error, it is more accepted. But there is a thumb rule. We will check the cell size of our image. We will go to the property of our image, and in the property we can see the cell size is 1, 1. Because our RMS is 0.6, which is less than 1, it is perfectly fitted and the georeferencing is okay. We will save the link table from here, save menu, and after all the work we will click the georeferencing drop down and click this update georeferencing. When we have clicked the update georeferencing, that means these points and this image are fitted together. Whenever we remove the image and again add it, it will be positioned in the certain points we have positioned it earlier. This is the basic of georeferencing. This was the all for today's tutorial. Thank you very much.